Graph Theory Class 1 Video 1. This is the first video for the Graph Theory module. In this video we're going to informally introduce the notion of a graph. But before I do that, I want to clear up a possible area of confusion. In mathematics, the word graph is used in two very different contexts. Okay, so in mathematics, the word graph has two different meanings. The first meaning you're probably familiar with. So the first meaning is if I have some sort of function, like y equals x squared, I can graph the function. So I can do something like this. It's not a great picture, but this is a graph of the function. Okay, and it's important in mathematics that you can do this. Okay, this is a useful thing to do, to be able to graph functions. But this is not what we will be studying. Not what we will study in this module. Okay? The type of graph theory that we're going to study is slightly different. Well, it's very different. And it's defined as follows. So, for us, a graph is a representation of a collection of objects and a particular relationship between pairs of objects. Okay, this is what we're going to be considering in this module, this notion of a graph. So not this idea that you have a function and you draw the function. Instead, for us, a graph is going to be a way of representing a collection of objects and a relationship between pairs of those objects. Okay, just some side notes. So we often denote the objects by small circles or dots called vertices. We denote the objects by dots or circles. And we call them vertices of the graph. Okay. And we draw an edge between two vertices if they're related by the relationship. They are related by the relationship. Okay, so it's a very abstract definition. I'll just do a really simple example. Something as simple as this is a graph. This is a graph for all that we're concerned. It's got some vertices, the circles, and the edge and edges, which represent a relationship between the vertices. Okay, so this is an abstract graph. In the next video, we're going to do lots of examples of where graphs occur in real life. But that's it for this video.